excited ako na makita siya mag-sample
Uy!
today. Ito na siya, Miss Georgina Rasa!
Bago yung sample ko, gusto kong magsabi kay Vice na yung crush niya nag-thank you para sa birthday greeting mo. Thank you daw. Galing kay Paolo.
Oh!
Thank you siya sa akin.
Talaga?
Before pumunta ako dito sa taas.
Nag-text siya sa'yo?
Yeah, nag-text siya sa akin.
Easy lang guys, ha?
Don't believe me?
Text lang naman guys.
Bye!
Wala naman palang silbi tong teleponong to eh.
George, what are you gonna do?
Okay, for my sample, I'm gonna sing for the first time ever outside of my bathroom kasi dyan lang ako kumakanta.
Go!
Pero I want Vice to dance for me. Or back up, back up, back up. Mga
Ikaw lang ang
si
gumawang
Vice
back up
mag-sing
sa akin talaga rito. Okay lang, ganyan naman ang test mo. Pwede ako mag-back up pag ganyan ang mukha. Na-dead man naman may birthday, nag-back up pa eh. Kasakla pa naman pala ng buhay ko today.
Sige, bida ka na lang, bida ka na lang.
Pero, pag ganito naman, magbaback up ako talaga. Sige, ano gagawin ko, George? What do you want me to do for you?
Where do I sing? Dito?
Yan, dyan. Go, go.
Maganda ka sa laula naman.
Mahalak din, mahalak.
Humahalak.
Okay.
Okay.
As in acapella? Ganito talaga.
Go!
Strumming my pain with his fingers. Singing my life with his words. Full time. Killing me softly with his song. Killing me softly with his song. Telling my whole life with his words. Killing me softly. Blah, blah, blah. With his song.
George, come on back.
I only practice singing.
Okay, but it's okay. Maganda ka naman eh.
Next time.
Thank you, Georgina.
Ayan, thank you, George.
Pagpagabi mo pa mo, ganun-ganun lang. Pwede na. Asa mo talaga ako, kailan hataw na hataw ako lagi.
Okay, George, anong comment